Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experience more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, we are going to see how we are going to install the extensions and how we can manage them. First, for the extensions, what we need to do here is that we need to click here, and down there we have the extensions. Under extensions we have two options available. First is manage extensions, and the second is the visit Chrome Web Store. And if I want to install any of the extensions, simple, I need to go to this here, which is the web store for the Google Chrome. Now here I can search for different extensions. I can scroll down, you can see there's different extensions available according to my need. Here I can install, and you can search for extensions and theme here, which is discover. And if I want to only search for the extensions, here I need to click and search for a specific extensions. Maybe I want to record my screen. As I said, you can search for different things here for different purpose. So I'm going to search for something like a screen recorder. There is different screen recorders available from here. I can install any of the extensions. Some of them not available for free use, you need to pay. And here let me show you. If I'm going to install this one, first I need to click at that, and it's going to show me the overview, the rating, the details, and the privacy. You can see under details we have the size updated, which is November 8 2023, the languages, and here the support. You can see this is not updated, so I'm not going to install that. Let's try to install any other from this list. Like maybe I want to, let's click at this one. This is already installed in my Google Chrome. This one is updated. Let me show you. It is January 11 2025. Let's take a look at different extensions. So I'm going to go with something like AI writing. I think there is, we just added a T. Let's delete that. And as you can see, we have different writing available, and we have this deep AI later writer. Let's try to, but there is no rating on this, so I'm not going to add that. Let's add this one. When you click add to Chrome, directly is going to go for download. As you can see now, it is downloading. When it is going to complete it, in which extension it's going to download, in .crx, and automatically it's going to install, and you can get this extension under manage extensions. Let's take a look at the theme. If I click here, so there is different theme available from here. I can click on the artist, series, animals, or design, and there's more dark and black theme, fresh tab, fresh outlook. And if I scroll down, you can see the minimalist themes. This one, maybe I want to use some of this, so I can use the theme as well. Now as you can see, it is added to my Google Chrome, and directly is going to open the app for me, just like we installed app on the web store or on the app store. So this is how you can install. Now it needs to be sign in here, and if I click at this one, is going to open this extension right here. But if I want to pin this, simple, I'm going to pin this right here. I can just click here to use this. But for this one, we need to log in and we need email ID. Let's take a look at the next here, which is this one, which we just installed. And if I want to record the screen, so simple, I'm going to click here. As you can see, we have the settings. We can choose a desktop, the tab, and there is more settings available, which I can just click on start recording to use this app. You can see it is free for this resolution, but if I'm going to select this 4K, we need to sign in. If I click here, you need to sign in. But for this, it is completely free. We don't have to sign in, and we just click on start recording. And if we want to manage the extensions, what we need to do here is that I'm going to click, and under extensions, let's click on manage extensions. So there is this extensions available, which is this awesome screen recorder, screenshot, this Google Docs offline, this one, which is AI writing and grammar checker tool, and this one. And if I want to change the settings, what I need to do is that I'm going to click on the details, or I can remove, or if you don't want to use it, simple, you can turn it off just like this. And if I want to change the settings, simple, I'm going to click on the details. So here we have the description, the version, the size, permissions, and if I scroll down, so you can see the site access on all sites or on click on a specific sites, and you can change the site settings, you can change the pin toolbar, you can turn it off, and you can allow it in private browsing. And here you can allow access to file URL, the extension options, view in Chrome Web Store if you want to see this, the source, and you can remove the extensions. Just click here. So simple, you can remove it, or you can report abuse as well. So this is how we can manage the extensions, and you can install any extension from the web store. You can search for different extensions according to your need. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.